In this video we are going to talk about top 20 delicious, easy-to-make smoothies for rapid weight loss. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. These nutritious smoothie recipes for weight loss are low in calories and high in fiber content at the same time. There are a variety of smoothies available, including protein-packed smoothies, fruit smoothies, green smoothies, banana smoothies, and more. Cheers! Smoothies are an excellent choice for a speedy and wholesome breakfast option, especially when time is of the essence. The combination of fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich milk or yogurt makes for a quick and easy meal that can also serve as an invigorating snack. It is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. And despite the fact that it is tempting to pick up a few pre-made smoothies at the grocery store or order a custom one at your neighborhood juice shop, it is actually easier and cheaper to whip up a healthy smoothie right at home. You can find pre-made smoothies at most grocery stores. You can increase the filling potential of your smoothies by removing any unnecessary sweeteners and replacing them with additional sources of fiber and protein. You should make certain that your smoothies contain a good amount of fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients that are high in antioxidants. This is especially important if you are trying to shed some pounds. According to Aaron Palinski-Wade, RD, CDCS, LDN, and author of the book 2-Day Diabetes Diet, adding an extra boost of greens into your smoothie is a great way to pack in more antioxidants. This recommendation comes from Woman's Day. Inflammation that persists in the body can lead to an increase in stress hormones, which are the same hormones that lead to fat storage rather than fat burning. You can help to reduce inflammation and assist your body in burning fat more efficiently if you increase the amount of antioxidants that you take into your body. Ready to get blending? You'll feel energized and ready to take on the day after drinking any one of these nutritious smoothies, which are made with superfoods like spinach and kale and naturally sweetened ingredients like strawberries, mango, and pineapple. Number 20. Summer Berry Smoothie. My summer berry smoothie helps to target stubborn belly fat and promote weight loss thanks to its high level of antioxidants and protein, says Palinski-Wade. This smoothie can be made year-round with frozen berries. According to her, Greek yogurt also delivers a dairy boost, which can provide CLA. CLA is a fatty acid that can be found in dairy products, meats, and vegetable oils, and it has been demonstrated to speed up the reduction of body fat. Number 19. Cryo Brew Smoothie. This smoothie is a complete and utter game changer since it is made with brewed cacao from Cryo Brew, bananas, cocoa powder, cashews, and believe it or not, frozen cauliflower. Number 18. Smoothie made with peanut butter, blueberries, and bananas. This antioxidant-rich smoothie can be whipped up in a matter of minutes with just 6 ingredients, and it tastes exactly like a slice of blueberry pie. Number 17. Smoothie made with tropical fruits and turmeric. Make this creamy smoothie with fresh turmeric, frozen pieces of mango and pineapple, and ice, and you'll have a nutritious drink that tastes like a vacation in the tropics. Number 16. Smoothie made with avocado and boba. There is nothing that goes better with a green smoothie made with basil, lime, and avocado than some chewy tapioca pearls. However, because boba is not a particularly nutrient-dense food, you should just add a few of them. Number 15. Orange and sunshine infused superfood smoothie. This superfood smoothie is the perfect way to get your day started off right because it is loaded with ginger, goji berries, hemp seeds, and citrus fruits. Number 14. Smoothie made with bananas and peaches. This nutrient-dense smoothie can assist you in getting more vegetables and fruits into your diet early in the day because it contains a combination of frozen fruit, greens, nut butter, and seeds. Number 13. Smoothie made with blueberries, peanuts, and protein. Are you looking for a simple method to increase the amount of protein in your diet? Blend together blueberries, oats, bananas, Greek yogurt, and peanut protein powder for a nutritious and speedy breakfast option. This smoothie also includes almond milk and Greek yogurt. Number 12. Smoothie made with kefir, blueberries, and elderberries. This smoothie, which is rich in berries, will help you speed up your metabolism, feel full for a longer period of time, and fight off the flu and cold season like a champ. It will also help you stay fuller for longer. Number 11. Smoothie made with kiwi and cucumber. To boost the flavor of the other ingredients in this nutritious green smoothie, add a teeny tiny dab of sugar that does not include any calories. Number 10. Smoothie made with green tea, almonds, and strawberries. Sencha is a type of green tea that is grown in Japan. It is believed that drinking sencha can help reduce overall body fat and cholesterol levels. In addition, because sencha green tea contains a slow-release form of caffeine, drinking it will protect you from the dreaded crash that follows consuming coffee. Number 9. Berry Beet. This smoothie is so delicious that Joy Bauer, MS, RDN, CDN, who is a nutrition expert for Woman's Day, can't stop drinking it. It's hard to say which aspect of this dish I enjoy the most, the mouth-watering flavor, the abundant supply of antioxidants, or the gorgeous color. Because the recipe creates 2 servings, you can either indulge in both of them on your own or give one to someone you care about. Ingredients include 3 to 5 ice cubes, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of plain low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of mixed frozen berries, and 1 cup of freshly cooked beets. Number 8. Green Goons. What's the nicest part about this leafy beverage? It hides 2 cups of extremely healthy leafy greens under crisp tart apple, creamy banana, and sweet pineapple, explains Bauer. It also contains 2 cups of leafy greens. In a nutshell, it is a tropical drink that is packed with nutrients. A cup of almond milk, 1 cup of baby spinach leaves, 1 cup of kale leaves, 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple chunks, half a ripe banana, and 1 Granny Smith apple are the ingredients. Number 7. Pumpkin Banana. This beverage, which has the flavor of autumn, contains beta-carotene, calcium, fiber, magnesium, and potassium, as stated by Bauer. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 3 to 5 ice cubes, 1/2 cup non-fat vanilla yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, 1/2 teaspoon maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/2 cup pumpkin puree. Number 6. Smoothie made with the batter from blueberry muffins. Anessa Chumbly, RD, nutrition expert for Premier Protein, told Woman's Day that the protein powder helps you feel satisfied and keeps your energy going, while the cashew butter provides good-for-you fats, keeping you fuller for longer. The protein powder helps you feel satisfied and keeps your energy going, she said. She also mentions blueberries as a good option because they are a wonderful source of antioxidants to combat inflammation, which helps keep your weight reduction objectives in motion, and blueberries are a wise pick overall. Number 5. Green smoothie recipe with just 5 ingredients to keep on hand. In an interview with Woman's Day, Stacey Hassing, RDN, and Jessica Beacon, RDN, registered dietitian nutritionists and bloggers at The Real Food Dietitians, say that this smoothie has everything you need to feel satiated for hours. It provides a fair dose of healthy fats, quality protein, and fiber to keep your cravings at bay and your energy up, both of which are crucial components of accomplishing desired weight loss, says the author. Number 4. Smoothie made with double dark chocolate and covered with cherry crunch. Dark cherries and cocoa without added sugar both include antioxidants, which work to reduce inflammation. Chia seeds, meanwhile, are loaded with the satiating omega-3 fats. This is a winning beverage because of that, in addition to the health advantages that come from bananas and spinach. Number 3. Smoothie made with pumpkin and figs. Leanne Ray, RD, blogger at Healthyish Appetite, told Woman's Day that this beautiful smoothie packs an impressive 22 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber, which means that it will leave you feeling satisfied and energized all morning long. This beautiful smoothie packs an impressive 22 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber, she said. In addition to that, who doesn't want more pumpkin in their lives? Number 2. Smoothie made with blueberries. According to Kathy DeRazio, MS.RD, who contributed this recipe to Woman's Day, this smoothie is simple, healthful, and gratifying for anyone attempting to lose weight. The protein included in Greek yogurt helps control your appetite and prevents you from overeating, and the antioxidants found in berries help keep you from becoming sick from eating too much. Number 1. Smoothie for breakfast made with strawberry, mango, and green spinach. After a workout or first thing in the morning when you're in a hurry, this quick smoothie is just what the doctor ordered. Because of the almond milk, plain Greek yogurt, frozen bananas, strawberries, and mangoes that are contained in this green smoothie, you will hardly be able to tell that there are 2 full cups worth of leafy greens contained within it. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.